configure terminal, interface, int. You can do shorthand, serial 0/0. That gets us in our interface. IP address 10.0.0.2. Whoops. Right. That looks good. No shutdown. All right. That looks good. And then we'll and it looks like we cannot ping our interface. So that is a problem. So what we'll do is we'll look at the other router, make sure that we configured the other router correctly. The interface looks like it's up. I'll hit enter. Now I'm back in router 1. I changed the cable. And router 1 has a 10.0.0.1 address. That looks correct. It's got a clock rate. Should be fine. Can it ping its own terminal? Its own interface? Let's try. Oh, we got some success there at the end. All right. So router 1 can ping itself. Let's see if you can ping the other router. Yep, can ping the other router. All right. So now we'll switch over. These are old routers, and now I'm in router 2, and I'll try the same thing. Yep, I can ping myself. I can ping 1. So now I have that going for me. But I'm in router 2 now. If I try to ping 192.168.1.100, it will not work. All right, so I just tried to ping from router 2 to this client right here, 1.100, and you can see that it did not work. But if I put a static route, and I say IP route to the 192.168.1.0 network with the proper subnet mask, and I say go to the next top router's interface, which is 10.0.0.1, I now have a route to the one network going to the next top router at 10.0.0.1. And now, if I hit Control C and I try to ping, we should get success, and we just did. So now we can get there. So now, once I've put a static route telling the router, if you want to get to the one network, go to this IP address right here, go here, send packets here, then we're good. Likewise, I have to go to the other router, and if I want to ping the opposite way, now I'm in router 1, I need to do the same thing. Except this time I'll do it a little differently. I'll say IP route to 0.0.0.0, and this sets up a default route or gateway of last resort to the 000, any network, any subnet mask essentially, go to 10.0.0.2, go to this IP address on the other side, on router 2's serial interface, and now I should be able to ping 172.16.1.100, and we'll see if it works. Oh, my client's down, so it's not going to work until the client comes up. We'll see here, client's booting up right now. We'll try again. Client's booting up. Client's booting up. Ta-da! There he is. We can communicate with the client, just finally booted up, and that's it. So anyway, I hope that was helpful.